Hi, this is Kevin Graham with KGPOW, sizzling reviews that pop, pop, pop. I'm excited to highlight this book, Cinematic Storytelling, as it truly is a treasure. If you or anyone you know is into movies or television, you'll find this book to provide tremendous insight into the techniques used by Hollywood to tell their stories. That's the subtitle, The 100 Most Powerful Film Conventions Every Filmmaker Must Know. And it's written by former San Francisco State professor Jennifer Van Sijll. You'll discover the power behind the many aspects of cinematic storytelling, such as space and composition, editing, sound effects, camera lenses and position, lighting, color, props, wardrobe, locations, and so much more. The easy-to-read and quick reference layout creates a coffee table book-type feel to this 260-page masterpiece. Just look at how each section is laid out with actual well-known film examples for each specific convention. Insights into the logic, script notes, and imagery complete your understanding of each specific film convention. Camera position as an example. This section includes 9 of the total 100 conventions mentioned in the book, such as close-up, extreme close-up, the two-shot, over-the-shoulder shots, point-of-view shots, high angle, low angle, and high-low combined. For each one, the author shows a related film and how the writer and director combine visions to create magic, such as the point of view used in Jaws, how low-angle camera position was used in the movie E.T., or how high-low was combined in the classic Psycho. There's a whole other section on camera motion, like how handheld camera motion was used to create chaos in the Pulp Fiction scene where Uma Thurman's character overdoses. This 2005 book remains a gem today, so check it out. This is Kevin Graham at KGPOW, sizzling reviews that pop, pop, pop.